Recording this just after the flight. Almost got stuck onto this tree. Let me tell you what helped me to get my YouTube chapters to work. So chapters on my channel just happened to start working not long time ago. As you can see, I always had this question why chapters doesn't work on my channel. From the beginning of my channel, I started formatting chapters following all the guidelines. All those guidelines I think you have tried already, that are chapters need to be 10 seconds apart from each other, they have to go in consecutive order, they have to start from zero and have to be separated by columns. Nothing of this really worked on my channel. I didn't have chapters until lately, and you want to know what happened? What did I do to make them appear? Actually nothing. I haven't done anything and they just appeared. I had around 35 subscribers, around 5,000 views. What I'm thinking is maybe my channel just got approved by YouTube, like verified. Some people say that some of their new channels do have chapters from the beginning. Probably the same as you, I was watching all those bloggers telling you how to format the chapters and what you have to do for them to appear, but for me I just had to wait a bit more. Actually, I read one comment that one person says that your channel have to be ranked in Google search. Well, maybe not ranked, but some people had to search for your content via Google, and after that YouTube activated chapters automatically. When chapters appeared on my channel, the overall views for the latest 48 hours increased in approximately 2 times. I was getting around 120 views in the last 48 hours, and then suddenly I started getting 280 views. Maybe that really meant that my channel became approved and shown to more people. Another thing you should know that can get your chapters disappear is that your content have to be appropriate. If it's not appropriate for YouTube, chapters can disappear because YouTube doesn't want to show your content in search. And also you must have no strikes on your channel, of course. Let's talk about how your chapters should be formatted. First, they have to start from zero. You can use 1 0, 2 zeros, just like you want it to be formatted. Chapters cannot start from 1 or from 2 or from like 15 seconds. They always have to start from zero. After that, you have to know that you only have to have only one set of timelines. For example, if you have music in your video and you want to put timestamps showing where it starts and when the next track starts, you cannot put it in different rows. The one solution I know for that, you can put them on the same timestamp, just like this, and that way one timestamp will be shown and people will know which music track is playing. Also, chapters have to be on the same line. Don't try to do fancy stuff like this, put a number above the actual line, it will only make some trouble for you. Next, your chapters have to be in consecutive order. For example, you mark something at 1 minute, then you want to mark something at 30 seconds and put it below this 1 minute. It will not work like this. 30 seconds have to be before this 1 minute. As easy as that. Your chapters also have to be 10 seconds apart from each other. They have to start at 0 and then the next chapter have to be at least at the mark of 10 seconds. If you put chapters every 5 seconds, it will not work like that. Okay, now I will fly FPV and tell you about another one tip. Yeah, so the last thing I want to tell you is about the separation of chapters. All of them have to be separated by columns. Don't use semicolons or dots, it will not work.